In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Anthropic API key. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to anthropic.com, and then on the website over here, you want to first hover over the API where it says API, and then you want to click on console login down here at the bottom left. Now, once you do this, you'll be directed to this website where you have to basically just sign in or create an account. So, of course, you can either do this with your email or with Google. I'm just going to do it with Google because I have an account using a Google over here. You have to just, of course, confirm it, and then you have to press continue on the next step. There we go. And then once you do this, to actually get the Anthropic API key inside the console over here, you'll see a bunch of different things on the left, and one of them under Manage is API keys. Click on API keys, and then here, again, you want to select API keys, and it says create an API key. You want to click on create key, and then here, you want to basically select in which workspace you want it. So you want to select one of your workspaces. I'm going to just select the default one, and then you have to name your key. I'm going to name it tutorial right now, and then you want to click on add like this. And then once you do this, this is going to be your private key. This is, of course, your API key. So it says you won't be able to view it again. You want to click copy key. Make sure you actually save it somewhere because this is the only time you're going to be able to access it. And after you do that, you can basically just start using the API key. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.